Welcome to my channel. When I'm lost in this road and I have a challenge for me. When I get back in the bridge, that's the teleport, and I will just freaking just go in that and oh, sorry for that crash. I'm gonna spawn my new car. I have to be too, but I will choose one this. Because this is the OP one. When I play this game and I'm starting to papel and I just survived. Right? Just stop because I think I'm gonna do it. Hi boy. I'm gonna find it. We're just the people. Where did I go? I think it's here. Oh, I found. Is it? No. Right have a freaking dog. Are we gonna survive this inside? Oh, survive. Just survive. Now, what the dialogue? Why the lock? Oh, I see a bridge. I think that's the way. We'd have a building, right? We're going into there. No, I see it. I make it so fast. How this happen? My challenge is completed. This building is the people will live. My challenge is completed. That's the all end.